and then you don't have the decency to wash. What is going on, guys? Welcome to Wrenchettes. When I know the working is beautiful, G35, maybe a ricer, but a life as well. How can you make your car better inexpensively to sell it for more money? In this video, I'm gonna give you guys some tips. For those of you who want to sell the cars and just like have no clue on how to make your post look more professional and more appealing to an actual buyer. Do not take pictures of the car and block the plates using your thumb. That shows extreme unprofessionalism and that you are extremely lazy. Because you can only, you could take the plate off for 1 second. Like you take a drill, the plate off, take a picture, put it back on. It's not that hard. And if you don't want to take it off, just buy like a vanity plate and you take off the top 2 bolts, you put the vanity plate on, take the picture, and then upload it. Wash your car. You know, I don't know how many cars I've seen that are like super dirty and they actually top dollar for the car. I'm like, that thing burns my mind. Like, you're gonna sell a car and then you don't have the decency to wash. My God, who does this crap? I'm seeing these cars are like all dirty with grime on the freaking wheels, like dirt on the side of the panel. Like, oh my, are you selling this car, bro? Come on, man. Don't use a 1.5 megapixel camera to take a picture of your car to sell. I've seen those like black lines pictures, like with the car in the middle. Like, come on. Turn the freaking phone like this. Some people just are like clueless. It's okay if you don't know, if you want to bury yourself. That's completely fine. It's very important. Like, for example, my Montero Sport. I'm going to show you right now. If I was to put a picture with 3 colored body panels, do you think I will get top dollar for that car? Absolutely not. The best thing you could do is go to a place like Napa. Tell them your paint code, you get a spray can, and you paint those panels as best as you can and make the car look more unison in one color. So I went to Napa and I got my paint code in a spray can and I painted it. And now the car looks like this. Now, if I took a picture of the car then, I will most likely get more money just because the panels look more unison. So the buyer doesn't have any reason to ask for a discount. So these are my tips to getting your car sold faster and getting top dollar for your vehicle. Even if it's in bad condition, if you follow these steps, believe me, you will get more people interested on your vehicle than if you keep doing what I just said before and you don't pay attention. So good luck out there on selling your vehicle. And if you like this content and it helped you out some way, shape, or form, please give me a like on this video. And if you're new, please consider subscribing. God bless, and until next time.